Hey folks, here I am upstairs. I gotta take my sweatshirt off finally. This is all this schmutz and filth that came out of that Hoover wide path tempo. The brush reel's still in good shape. It's got two. Oh, don't need to suck up that. Two extension wands, a loose hose on the back, the crevice tool, and that's it. I like how you can tell it's the base model tempo, as in base model. That's clearly where the light would be if it was a wind tunnel, and if it was a wind tunnel it would have a bag indicator, but really those bag indicators were kind of a joke. I mean, all it does is it is a vacuum gauge on off, not even a good vacuum gauge, and it just shows you more like a vacuum light, and it showed you red solid if it was full. I was not a fan of it. If your bag was full but not clogged up, it wouldn't shine or show the thing. It wasn't a light, it was just like a strip that would fill up. So let's plug her in. This is kind of fun. My brother found this vacuum, and a friend of mine just bought a Ford Tempo. It's the same color, baby blue. That's pretty funny, I think. So first of all, I'm going to suck up everything up with the hose. Carefully. Whoops. Got a problem. Our hose came out. There we go. The one thing also that's cheaper about the tempo versus the wind tunnel is your switch is down here versus up here as a slider. I guess it saves them that much labor and whatever. Anyway, let's turn it on. Haha, I can suck up a whole bad vacuum belt. Oh shit. Oh, never mind. Hairball. There, I pretty much got the whole floor of filth without even using the brush roll. That's pretty much the only problem with the vacuum, is it needs a screw or something right here to hold it in. It even has the cord hook. The Dyson doesn't even have that. Uh-oh. I don't know what's up with that. Is there a little bit of play in there or what? It spins freely. I don't know, but it seems to work pretty gosh darn good. This is for an entry-level Hoover vacuum cleaner. I believe this is like $100 in its heyday. Maybe 120. Somebody out there would probably know. Also I believe on a wind tunnel, this part would pivot. And on this model, it does not. So you gotta go around. Ooh. Looks like could use a little bit of scraping in there, but still did the trick. Can't complain. That is a... Whoops. Let's put that back on. Look at that, it says Hoover right there on the attachment. So yeah, not bad. I would do a little better if I had a fresher belt, but it's the only one I could find. Here's the tag again. Okay, model U5140900. Manufacturer code B13A, 12 amp. Made in Mexico. Oh yeah, I didn't check the filter in here. It doesn't look bad. There's a filter in here. They don't look too bad. So yeah, there you have it. It's alive. Okay. I'm finished with that one.